Hello friends, welcome to the channel Gyanki Academy. Today I'll teach you how to use the Excel VLOOKUP formula. For example, if you have this many data on sheet 1 and on sheet 2 your boss has told you to pull out the data pertaining to this employee's ID, you can use the VLOOKUP formula to extract the data. I'll tell you how to do that. You need to apply equal to VLOOKUP formula, press tab, select the lookup values and then the data range, okay, and then comma the column index which data you wanted to pull out. So let's pull out the full employee name, comma 2, okay, and then the range lookup, comma 0. Here it is. You can drag this formula by clicking for the entire cell. Similarly, if you want to find out the country using the employee ID, select the data, comma 3, comma 0. This is how we'll be able to find out the country. If you're looking for the department using the same employee ID, you can apply same VLOOKUP formula. Using the employee ID, we'll select the table array, comma 4, comma 0. You can see we have the department as well. Now salary, which will be lookup, you will use the employee ID, table array. Now you can see we got all the details. This you can do for the thousands of rows and columns, and you can get the details in just fraction of a second. Now I'll tell you the hack to apply same Excel formula into all cells. Just type the formula into first cell equal to VLOOKUP and then employee ID and then table array and then column index number. So we got the full employee. Just drag it into the all rows and column wherever we want data. This will save our time and we can get the data without manually typing into all cells. Thank you so much for watching this video.